Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what we've got here. I'll show you what it is. It is some stakes, so you can stake down into the ground, like if you're going to have a tent or something like that and you're going to put it on grass and you need to get it in there nice and strong. This thing here is the way to go because you're going to be able to do it with a drill. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. So we're going to set this up. Let me open this piece up here. Oh, and it is open. We'll put it into my drill. Of course, I picked the drill that is most difficult to use, but you'll see. So here we go. So now we are going to be able to put this in there, you see, and then drill it into the ground, then it'll pull it in. Like so, where normally it would be difficult to screw something in. Let me see here. We can just go like that. Check this out. Now I can get it nice and well, if I didn't screw it up. But yeah. And then get it out. So that'll be a nice way to stake in your tents in whatever in there, and then you've got all the accessories as well. So once you get it in there nice and deep, you can connect it up with like these pieces here and screw them all in. It comes with all the different screws and bolts, so you can bolt these things into it and tie up everything there. So how cool is that? So it's a nice little set here, so you can just screw them in there. If you have some tents that might blow away or something, you're gonna be able to use these and your stuff's not going anywhere. So super cool. Thumbs up for sure.